Statusbrew makes it easy to bring focus to your most important posts, conversations, and reports. You can use the built-in filters to create your own calendar boards, inbox views, and reporting dashboards in your sidebar. Once you're managing more than a few views and reports, that sidebar can turn into a long, chaotic list. That's where folders come in. Folders let you group related items, clean up your sidebar, and quickly access the correct item. Say you want to group all your network reports in one place. Click the plus button in the Reports section and create a folder. Give it a name like Network Reports and add an emoji. Then move all your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube reports into this folder. As your priorities change, you can reorder these folders or collapse the ones that don't need your attention right now. Folders function similarly in the inbox. They let you organize views, team inboxes, and brand keyword searches into one place. Let's say you want to combine all the conversations where your brand is being talked about. Create a folder and call it something like Brand Mentions. Then, move your @mentions view, user-generated content inbox, and brand keyword searches into this folder. Now, instead of jumping between multiple views, you open one folder and see all the related items. You can also use folders to organize your macros. By organizing your items into folders, you reduce clutter, keep similar work together, and make it much easier to focus on what actually needs your attention.